Hi guys, how are you? And we go around and we're gonna do lots of outfits today, stuff that I think you're gonna love. Yes. All right, let's get started. All right. Hi guys. Hi Fumi Nation. Let me bring it down. How are you? All right. See you soon. Mwah. Hello my darlings, how are you? How are we? I'm a little too oily. I've just had my bath, done my makeup, my hair. We're gonna do what? Try-ons, transitions, because this is August. Before you know it, we're gonna be what? In September. So I have some clothes out for you and we are going to do options. Do we live for this? Fire. And then we have prints. We also have mixed prints, and I know my girls that love a lot of black. I've got black as well, got options. I'm wearing this pajama because I'm going to take it off in a minute. And I did like a halo eye today. Are we loving forever JUVIAS, please? Lady with some lip gloss, no lip pencil. And that's it. Eating my vegetables, minding my business, and trying to stay skinny. Let me film. Love you. Uski, be ready. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome. So this is the month of August. It's the last summer month of the year before we transition into autumn. And so many of you say, Fumi, I like what you wear for various episodes. And I said to myself, why don't you bring them a little bit closer into your world of fashion? I wear everything and anything. It really depends on the mood. I love prints, I love color, I love solids, I love black, I love color blocking. I love kind of everything. And I realized that when I look in the comments, a lot of you ask me, Fumi, how do you put certain things together? And this is that kind of episode. It's that kind of transition-esque episode where you can transition from summer into autumn, because we begin to start wearing layers. Why? Because it gets chilly at night. On top of which you get all of these rules and regulations. You can't wear white. You can only wear white in summer. You can't wear mixed prints, all of these things. So I said to myself, Fumi, you know what? Let's start doing episodes like this where I can show you and you can go out and buy prints and buy certain colors and try and make it your own. Are we living? Are we loving? All right. So the first one up actually is a white top and a white pant. For me, I love a beautiful, lovely, bright colored coat. I'm also African and I love my culture. I do. I live for it. So I find myself incorporating some kind of animal print here and there. And it's just the African in me. So I'm going to show you how I put it together and how I make my not so sunny days in autumn and winter lovely and bright. Are we loving the pajama? Are we loving the pajama? I'll put the link below. Like I said, I love animal print. So as soon as I saw the zebra, I was like, yep, it's sold. It's sold. So here we have, you can wear white pants, cream pants, anytime, anywhere. Some of you might say, Fumi, I don't like light pants because it gets dirty real quick. I can understand that. But if you're saying to yourself, I really love a nice cream pant, you can wear beautiful cream pants all the way. Make sure that it goes all the way down and hits the floor when you wear high heels. It makes you slimmer, it keeps it elongated, and it keeps it all the way sharp. This is a simple bodice. You can buy this anywhere. From H&M, from ZARA, you can find. So I'm going to wear this matchy. And then you can wear a lovely, bright colored coat. This could be a pink coat, this can be black also, this can be orange, this can be yellow. Have some kind of pop of color. When I tell you, when I walk out, I see people smiling. That's the effect of what bright color does to folk. I kid you not. So let me put that on and I will show you how you can accessorize and still look fly. All right, I'll be right back. So guys, just look, white on white on white. Actually, cream on cream on cream. See? And I love to wear this. It's just so clean and it's so sharp. I want to also show you something. Remember, this was a body. Well, guess what? I wear my black panty on top of that. Why? Because your white body does not show through. So you can wear this if you want to be sharp and say to yourself, all right, I don't mind. You can also travel with this. You can go to the office with this. You can go out. You can go out for lunch. Just a neutral heel that you can wear also. You can wear brown. You can wear black. You can wear anything. And then you can do the power look. And you can have your coat. Take your hair out. And there you have it. And it's such a fabulous look. You can also pull up the sleeves of it. And this is for the evening. You can go on. And my hair is a mess, Ula is telling me, so let me just get that looking fabulous. There we go. And there you have it, guys. What do you think? And you can take a purse. Take a black purse. I love a good clutch because it takes my wallet, it takes my phone, it takes my keys, it takes my makeup. I love a big clutch, and you can go and you're looking sharp. Do we live, my darlings, or do we love? Any cream pant. I prefer cream because it just looks so much more luxurious than white to me. So I love cream. I love powder blue. These are luxe colors for me. These are colors that I see. I try to emulate from the catwalk, from the runway, because your budget is limited. Don't go crazy trying to wear designer pieces. Just look for classic cuts that I can wear for the next 5 years from now. And the coat, the same thing. Wear your sunglasses, let me get a pair of glasses, and you're good to go. There we go, my darlings. Like I was showing you, I always fly the collar. It gives it extra pizzazz. You wear your sunglasses. Tell me that this is not a fly look. Tell me that this is not a gorgeous look. I mean, if you go to the office, they'll be like, Fumi, what's happening today? So this is look one. Do we live, do we love? Let me know down in the comment sections. Guys, like I told you, love my animal print. So I just put on a scarf. And this can be casual. You're going out for lunch. And then you can take a big bag, throw it on there, throw on your sunglasses and your airport chic. You can take the flight, you're going to Miami, you're coming to New York. I saw you on the plane, you're looking fabulous. When you get on the plane, you're comfortable. I do it all the time. Take the blanket, undo the waist, wear my little slippers or socks, sleep. You're fine. Hair's in a ponytail, just put it up in a bun, take off the lip gloss, and I sleep. Do we live, do we love? Options. I love this. I love this in a way that I cannot find words to express. You know why? Because when you have to go out to that gala, to that dinner, myself included, I always think of a dress. I always think I have to find a long gown, long dress. You can flip it and wear a beautiful, elegant, long skirt. And guess what? Find yourself a cute top. I'm going to put all of the details of the clothes and the pieces down below for you. Look 1, look 2, look 3. But I remember this top. This I got from ZARA. And I just thought to myself, how fabulous. And of course it reflects so you can see pink, gold, silver. And it does so with whatever you're wearing. So with this now, it's giving me that kind of pink silver hue. Take a little clutch and you're good to go. And you know what I like about this? You can wear sexy pants, like skinny pants, leggings, whatever, and you can hit the club with the top. but you've made it elegant because you wore a skirt with it. And I find that if you make like a high-waisted skirt, for us ladies in our 50s, not that we don't have wonderful figures and we don't have flat tummies and so on and so forth, but I think that it's so much more tasteful and much more beautiful when you have like a high-waisted, when you're wearing a half top. This I live and I love, and look for flesh-toned shapewear, of which I'm coming with, and you're good to go. I love it. I really do. Let me turn around for you. Yeah. Going for dinner. See you later.
Oh, wait for me.
Yes. Do we love, my darlings? Let me know below. I love this and I wanted to share. I wore this for my dinner for when we hit 500,000. Do you remember? This was the skirt that I wore. And I live for it. And you look for a nice neutral color, always pastels or lighter, and then you can mix and match. Mwah! All right, on to the next. Don't be afraid of animal print. Animal print is absolutely fun. Fun. What you have to do is make sure that you can find the same kind of print tone together, and it will be chef's kiss. This skirt is by Dorothy Perkins, and the shirt is by ZARA. I didn't even know that they matched. Just one day I just said, let me look at my prints and let me see my animal prints as well. Let me see what I can put together, and this kind of worked. I would go to a meeting like this. I love pussy bows. Pussy bows are fabulous. Any pussy bow that you can find, take it. Believe you me, to be a staple in your wardrobe. Now remember, we're transitioning, so it's going to be a little bit cool at night. Guess what? Guess what? Invest in a leather jacket. Go to outlets. You'll be very impressed. Go to outlets and they will have leather jackets like this, not the bumper jackets, but leather jackets that you can wear, and it's just so very sharp. And what I love about this is that when you do take it off, you've got the organza-esque blouse that has the shoulders, but you put this on, you're looking fabulous. Take your clutch bag and you are good to go. It works every single time. And when I tell you, you can have an animal print dress, you can have a skirt, you can even have trousers. You can wear black trousers and you can wear the animal print top, and you're still going to look fabulous. All right, do we live, do we love? And then let me show you the back, and then let me take this back off so that you can see. There we go. It's really cute. On to the next. For that pop of color. Hold on, let me put this on. Oh God, Ola. Ola is looking at me as if to say yes. Din-dins. Alright, my darlings, for that pop of color. When you are going out, you want to be sexy, you want to be snazzy, you want to be snatched. Literally, you just wear a body conscious dress, Bodycon, and you're good to go. I live for it. I do live for it. This is as far as I can go as 54. This is as far as I can go. I can't go any more lower or tighter, but this will work. And then be decent to say, ooh, that's Adrian's mom. That's as far as I can go. So I like the deep V, you know, It is what it is. Yeah. And then it's all zipped up in the back. And this is House of CB, from House of CB. Do we live, do we love? Super huggy, and you know, at the end of the day, get your own size. And if you want, you can go a little bit bigger, you can go a little bit smaller, you know. But this I love that pop of color. It reminds me of Miami, it reminds me of my honeymoon. It reminds me that, you know what, I can go out with the girls and I can have a virgin cocktail. Why not? Absolutely. Make sure that you're all nice and bronzy. Put your bronzer on your arms, on your décolleté, and you are what? And you're good to go. It doesn't matter what the color is. So far, it's nice and neon. It will pop off any complexion. All right? I live. I love. Do we live? Do we love? Ola, do we live? Do we love?
Oh, yes.
All right, guys. Last one coming up. For my ladies that wear black, for my ladies that love black, this is especially for you. I love black, I really do. I just gravitate to brighter colors. Having said that, make sure that your black pieces are really structured. That's what makes it pop, and that's what makes it a standout piece. I chose this blouse in particular for my girls that are very conscious about their arms. Some people don't like to expose their arms, but they still want to look feminine and beautiful. Look for cutouts like this. It is a beautiful blouse, and it gives that extra. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to dinner, you can wear it to a wedding. Yes, you can. Again, a body conscious skirt with a little flare. It just maximizes the femininity of every woman. Why? Because it goes in and it flares out. My legs are too big, or I'm too skinny. This particular fishtail skirt compliments everybody. That was why I decided to wear it for you guys as my last look. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and down below, let me know what you think about these kind of episodes, because I do the reels where I just wear them, you know, but I thought, you know what, let me interact a little bit more and you guys can tell me what you think. I love this. I love the blouse, and I would wear it to work again. I would wear it out to dinner, and I like it because when I was bigger, I was very conscious of my arms, and I wore this blouse. I buy my clothes from everywhere, and I also thrift. So let me know if you want me to take you on a thrift episode, and then we come back and try clothes on. Not a problem. The skirt is by House of CB, and I will put all of the links and I'll put all of the details for all of the 5 looks below. Thank you so very much for watching. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah.